Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with IRS payment plan portal access, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the IRS payment plan portal website. Look for the sign in or log in option on the home page. Click on that link to proceed to the authentication page. If you already have an account, enter your user ID and password. If you are a new user, locate the option to create an account. Click on Create Account to start the registration process. You will be prompted to provide your personal information. This typically includes your name, social security number, and date of birth. Ensure that all information is entered accurately. Next, you'll be asked to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via your email or phone. Follow the prompts to complete the identity verification process. Once verified, you can set up your user ID and password. Choose a strong password that meets the requirements outlined on the page. After setting up your account, return to the login page. Enter your credentials again to access the portal. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Look for the section dedicated to payment plans. Select the option to set up or manage your payment plan. You may need to provide additional financial information to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your payment plan. Be sure to review all details carefully before submitting. After submission, you should receive a confirmation of your payment plan. Keep this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section for assistance. Logging out is important after you finish, so locate the Sign Out button. Click that button to securely end your session. This ensures the security of your information for future visits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.